Here we are at Blue Baron Truck Mounts. It's the end of the day, and we have finished these 2 units here, fully tested. It's ready to be installed for the customer. These units are 3,500 pounds pressure rated, coil system, access point heat exchanger system, which enables you to get really stable heat, but at the same time, you can be able to get high pressure unlike any other unit, up over 2,000 pounds pressure. So this unit is really, these units really do outperform any of its class outside of Blue Baron. Most of these heaters that are out there now are all copper. They blow up. They can't operate a high pressure system. And as you can see, look how open this is. The open concept is a winner. Just the fact that you can get in here and change out belts. You've got your belt guard here. This is a compact 45 with a 27 horse Kohler and the access point heat exchanger. Full instrument panel with a vernier throttle, just like they have on aircraft. And like I said, everything is here. We got thermostatic control down onto here, and we got a temperature gauge here, the vacuum and water pressure, as well as a tachometer and hour meter. So all of this is really a compact unit. It's great for residential and commercial. And we have the 47, and this gentleman is coming from Georgia, and we're going to be doing an installation on the Baron slider. So the Baron slider will be used with this during the install, and we'll have a video to show that as well. Orders are coming in, and we've opened up some areas of financing with more flexibility. Our direct lending source offers even people with lower FICO scores of 450. If they're borrowing up to $15,000, they can get into one of these fine compact 45 or the 36 units. Soon to come out is the Aviator 36, which will be an entry-level unit, soon to be coming out within the next 3 weeks. So orders are coming in. Blue Baron is building day after day, and we're filling up the market and helping people get into business fast with the most dependable unit in the industry. And like as you see, we also use couplings to add to the versatility of being able to use this on the Baron slider. It's got everything here. These units will do high pressure, working pressure over 3,000 pounds pressure. This one will do up to 2,000 pounds and give you the water pressure capability that you're looking for to add more to your venue of jobs. So call us today at 727-505-2989. Come down here, Holiday, Florida, at our home factory, and we'll show you what Blue Baron is all about. Thank you much. Bye.